Hey, so if you've never used Booking.com before, or you want to learn how to book hotels, flights, or trips properly, yeah, this guide will walk you through everything step by step in 2026. First, go to Booking.com and create a free account using your email, Google account, or phone number. Now enter the city, hotel, or destination you want to visit. Choose your check-in and check-out dates, then select the number of guests and rooms. Booking.com will now show hotels, apartments, resorts, and other places to stay. Use filters like price, rating, breakfast included, or free cancellation to find the best option faster. Always check guest reviews, ratings, and photos before booking. Choose the room type you want and review what's included. Enter your details, payment information if needed, and confirm your booking. After booking, you can manage, modify, or cancel reservations from your account. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Booking.com to find and book hotels, trips, and travel stays easily.